Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use the finance features in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So let's get started. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central provides powerful finance management tools that help businesses handle accounting, cash flow, bank accounts, fixed assets, inventory costs, and financial reporting all from one place. When you sign in as an accountant, you'll typically use the Accountant Role Center. This dashboard gives you a complete overview of important financial activities and tasks that require attention. You'll find activity tiles that display information such as overdue purchase documents, cash account balances, pending approvals, and other key financial data. Clicking any of these tiles allows you to view more detailed information. The Role Center also includes useful insights. You can monitor important general ledger accounts through the My Accounts section without opening the full chart of accounts. There are also performance indicators that help track financial metrics, such as cash flow and aging reports. You can review cash flow forecasts, scheduled reports, and even view Power BI dashboards directly within Business Central. From the navigation menu, you can access finance, journals, cash management, fixed assets, cost accounting, and posted documents. The finance section lets you manage your chart of accounts, currencies, tax statements, and account schedules. If you need to post transactions directly to the general ledger, you can use the General Journals page. For customer and vendor transactions, the Journals section provides tools for sales, purchases, and recurring journal entries. The Cash Management area helps you process customer payments, issue vendor payments, manage bank accounts, and perform bank reconciliations. Business Central can even suggest vendor payments automatically, helping you streamline payment processing. Overall, the Accountant Role Center serves as a central hub that makes it easier to manage daily accounting operations and maintain accurate financial records. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.